Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach us how to use a zipper foot in order for you to be able to fix the zipper very easy, very fast, and super easy to use. So let's get started. Now, if you're fixing the zipper onto any part of your garment, I'll be using my bodies as an example, right? So this is my zipper here. This is my zipper foot. I'll show us how to fix it and how to use it, right? So this is how the zipper foot looks like. This works on manual sewing machine. Okay, for industrial machine, they have, it has its own zipper foot, but this is for manual sewing machine, right? So this is the zipper here. Then you must have ironed in the zipper allowance on whatever part of the garment you're sewing it. So this is my bodice, and usually zipper allowance is 1 inch. I've ironed it, so this helps me to pin my zipper in the exact place I want it to be. Okay, so now I'll take it to my machine. So first thing first, I'm going to change my foot. So this is my zipper foot here. I will take off the normal straight sewing foot. I'll take it out. So like I said, this works for blackhead, works for singer, as long as it's a manual sewing machine. Okay, it works for it. Yeah. So you just fix it like that. It even works for some domestic sewing machine too. That's a tabletop. Yes, it works for it. So once you fix it like this, you will need to adjust the zipper, the foot, I beg your pardon. Okay, so first thing first, I will pin my zipper onto where I want to attach it. Then I'll adjust my footer like that. Okay, now if you've adjusted it well, you know the that thing in front there, it holds the zipper in place and it prevents it from moving here and there. And then the good thing is that it sews very close to the edge of the zipper, so you don't have to start running two sewing lines, or maybe you finish sewing, you have to start losing it. It's very easy to use, like very easy, but make sure you take off your pins. Okay, so I'm done sewing on one side. The only issue with this zipper foot is that make sure your finger is not too close so that you don't get your fingernails injured. That's all. So I fixed one side. This is the other side of the fabric. So this is it here. Okay. I'll also pin it down, but this time around I'll start sewing from the lower part. Okay. So now that I've pinned it, I'm starting from the waistline now. Same thing. You can see that stopper there. Make sure it's very, you place it close to the zipper. Okay. And then you start sewing. It's very easy, like very easy. But like I said, make sure your finger is not close to the needle. Yeah, that's the only issue. So that's what I'm trying to show us. That thing there, make sure it sits next to the zipper and you are good to go. So you just keep sewing. Okay, then you have to take the lever up and zip down so that you'll be able to fix this other side properly. So you just do this, and that's all. Like, until you try this, you will not know how sweet it is. Like, super easy. So as it is, you can even go ahead and press the back. So I'm still showing us how the foot looks like. So this is the normal foot, and that's the zipper foot. And like I said, it works for any tabletop or domestic sewing machine. Okay, so this is the outcome of what I've done. You can see, so neat, so clean, no double stitches, no stress and all. So you can get this from your local sewing accessory or sewing material vendor around you. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.